So this is the kind of thing that I'm talking about that is just going to change how you think about real estate technology. It's going to change how you engage with technology, and I'm just so excited to get this into your hands. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go back, and I'm going to show you guys this calendar. So this calendar is pretty standard. Looks like a calendar, right? You can shift between your day, your today. You've got your hours if you're in the days. You can go weeks, you can go months, but all of the different tasks that we have are going to be on this calendar. So this is one of the routines that I currently have running. Dashboard overview. This is what I have to do today, right? Now, if I click this little checkbox, it's going to show me that I have one activity to do, and that's send a message. If I click run, it is going to go ahead and start running that. Now, based on how I have that routine built out, if Sam is going to be helping create that content specifically for Mark based on what I have in his contact, Sam's going to do that. And then it's going to send off.